Hi, in this tutorial you will learn about all the different resources the library has to offer. The UMUC library has a lot of resources for your research needs, including newspapers, popular magazines, professional trade publications, scholarly academic journals, ebooks, and books. Newspapers like the New York Times or the Wall Street Journal provide daily articles about current events and local information. Newspapers often have the most up-to-the-minute information and can be useful when writing about current events. Popular magazines provide general information on current topics and popular culture. They are not usually appropriate for college-level research. Professional trade publications provide current information targeted at professionals in a particular field. Articles in professional or trade publications are usually written by professionals who have some background in the topic. Scholarly or academic journals are where it's at. They provide in-depth analysis or original research on a topic and are targeted at scholars and academics and written by scholars or researchers who are considered experts in their field. This is a great resource for college-level writing. Print and electronic books vary in their scope. Books can be written for general, professional, or academic audiences, so it is important to evaluate any books you locate to make sure they are appropriate for your research. The library has databases and subject-specific research guides for your use in locating all of these resources. The library catalog is where you go to find print books. Did you know you can borrow a book from any library in the University System of Maryland? Looking for something the library doesn't own? Don't worry, we can usually get it for you. Just ask us.